The weather system has created delays and traffic jams on the ground and in the air as travelers head to their holiday destinations. ABC 7 News reporter Tomas Roman is live at San Francisco International Airport with more. Tomas.
But we've had some heavy rain on and off here at SFO for the past hour or so. Now, this unsettled weather has brought with it some flooding, but also a change in wind direction. Now, that wind shift has caused SFO to cut back on its flight arrivals and departures by more than half. The morning rain flooded some city streets. Here at Alameda and Bayshore Boulevard in San Francisco, deep standing water caused drivers to slow down before merging onto Highway 101. The weather brought scattered showers to the Bay Area, as well as a change in the morning's wind direction. San Francisco International Airport duty manager Lily Wang says a wind change at the airport equals a change in flight patterns and in how many flights are allowed to land and take off, which is why these aircraft are backed up on the taxiway.
We will cut back from 60 to 25 landing. So that is a big number.
That also includes departures. The Flight Information Board shows only a few flights either arriving or leaving on time. Not good news to Gretchen Wegenroth, who has to catch a connecting flight.
We have an hour delay, so we're supposed to leave at 2, and then we're leaving at 3. We're supposed to fly into Chicago. We'll have about 10 minutes to connect to our flight.
Wang says they tried to keep delays at 45 minutes, but that didn't last long.
We held 45 minutes for a long time, for almost all morning. And then, like you say, the sky is getting dark, and then we're increased to about an hour.
Wayne Masters is just trying to get back to San Diego. This rain might mean a longer delay.
My flight was supposed to be at 1. It's now at 2:10, and I've been in this line for a half hour right now.
With more rain falling, these delays are expected to continue. Wang says it's projected that about 100,000 people will travel all day Saturday. Now, Wang also says more people are expected, last-minute travelers are expected to travel tomorrow at local airports. Now, if you're expecting to take a flight tomorrow, our flight tracker will give you an idea if there are any flight delays. Just go to abc7news.com and you'll see a link on our homepage. Reporting live at San Francisco Airport, I'm Tomas Roman, ABC 7 News.
Thank you, Tomas. And our stormy weather is creating hazardous driving conditions for people trying to get to Lake Tahoe. All eastbound lanes of I-80 were closed today from Colfax in Placer County to the Nevada state line because of spinouts. Those lanes reopened around 1 this afternoon. Here's a look from the Caltrans camera showing I-80 earlier and cars there being detoured. There's no snow there, but the roads are slick, and you can see traffic in the far right lane being diverted off 80. Highway 50 heading toward Lake Tahoe is open, but chains are required. And take a look at some other nasty driving conditions around Lake Tahoe. Near whiteout conditions today at I-80 at Kingvale. You can see several big rigs stuck on the side of the road. Now to Highway 267 at North Star. It is snow-packed and it was still coming down this afternoon. While the weather is making for treacherous driving, ski resorts are reporting excellent conditions. All right. Well, this morning we had a lot of rain, and that has been blamed for a number of accidents around the Bay Area. ABC 7 News reporter Kira Clapper takes us from the peninsula to the South Bay.
This morning's storm began as a heavy rain pushed by gusty winds that sent the rain horizontally around 6 a.m. in San Mateo. An hour later, along with the light of day, came a break, but that was only temporary. On Highway 17 in Los Gatos, the rain picked up, but the cars weren't slowing down. In San Jose, the relentless rain flooded the Meridian on-ramp to southbound 280, closing it for nearly 3 hours. Crews had it cleared by 9:30, but nearby, the worst effect of the early storm was happening at that same time. A driver going too fast for the slick conditions skidded across 5 lanes of northbound 280, crashing into another car. One landed down the embankment on its roof. The other went halfway down the embankment and landed on its side. Surprisingly, even to the first responders, no one was seriously hurt.
Luckily, everyone in the collision was wearing their seatbelts, and when they're not in situations like this, you oftentimes see ejections and major injuries, and today, luckily, just minor complaints of pain.
Drivers across the Bay Area agree in weather like this, defensive driving is the key to staying safe.
People are still driving fast, but you just got to watch out for them. I try to slow down a little bit and just kind of anticipate the worst of what other people may do when they hit puddles or something.
I think people should slow down like 10 miles per hour when it's wet outside.
Are you slowing down?
Of course. I have a baby in the car, so of course.
And with a wallop expected tomorrow, it's advice we could all afford to adhere to. Reporting in San Mateo, Kira Clapper, ABC 7 News.